The legal battles between Disney and DeSantis in federal and state courts over the control of Disney's self-governing district. Disney's self-governing district, known as the Reedy Creek Improvement District, was created by a state law in 1967 that gave the entertainment giant extensive governmental control over a 38-square-mile stretch of land that includes its theme parks, resorts, and other properties. The district has the power to levy taxes, issue bonds, provide public services, and enact land use regulations, among other things. The district is governed by a 5-member board of supervisors, who are elected by the landowners within the district. Since Disney owns most of the land, it effectively controls the board. However, this arrangement has been challenged by Florida Governor Ron DeSantis and some state lawmakers, who have accused Disney of abusing its special privileges and violating state laws. In April 2022, the state legislature passed a bill that would dissolve the Reedy Creek Improvement District by June 2023 and transfer its assets and liabilities to a new entity called the Central Florida Tourism Oversight District. The new district would be overseen by a 5-member board appointed by the governor and confirmed by the state Senate. The bill also included provisions that would limit Disney's ability to regulate certain aspects of its business, such as its vaccine mandate for employees and its diversity and inclusion policies. Disney responded by filing a lawsuit against DeSantis and the new Oversight Board in federal court, claiming that the bill violated its constitutional rights to free speech, due process, and equal protection. Disney argued that the bill was motivated by political retaliation and discrimination, and that it would interfere with its contractual obligations to its bondholders, customers, and employees. Disney also claimed that the state could not dissolve the Reedy Creek Improvement District without paying off its debts, which amounted to about $1 billion as of April 2022. The lawsuit sought an injunction to prevent the bill from taking effect and a declaration that it was unconstitutional. The legal battle between Disney and DeSantis has escalated since then, with both sides adding new claims and defenses to their lawsuits. In May 2023, Disney amended its lawsuit to cite 2 new laws passed by the state legislature that it said targeted its business. One law would prohibit private companies from requiring proof of vaccination from their customers or employees, while the other law would ban certain topics related to race and gender from being taught in schools or workplaces. Disney argued that these laws violated its First Amendment rights to express its views and values, and that they would harm its reputation and brand. DeSantis, meanwhile, filed a countersuit against Disney in state court, accusing it of breaching its fiduciary duty to the Reedy Creek Improvement District and misusing public funds for private purposes. DeSantis alleged that Disney had diverted tax revenues from the district to subsidize its own operations and projects, such as building a new Star Wars-themed hotel and expanding its streaming service. DeSantis also claimed that Disney had failed to provide adequate public services and infrastructure for the residents and visitors of the district, such as fire protection, water supply, and transportation. DeSantis sought damages from Disney and in order to appoint a receiver to take over the management of the district. The legal battles between Disney and DeSantis are still ongoing as of May 2023, with no clear resolution in sight. The outcome of these cases could have significant implications for the future of Disney's operations in Florida, as well as for the relationship between private businesses and public authorities in the state.